Good morning, dear students. Look here, now the continuous problems of lines and angles. In figure AB parallel to DE, that is given. Find angle BCD as a question. There are two ways. One of the ways is draw a line parallel to DE or AB. Okay, draw a line parallel to AB, that is D. Automatically it is parallel to DE also. Okay. Now, here it is 100 degree. That is CDE is 100. Then DCP is also 100 because alternate interior angles are equal. Angle CDE equal to angle DCP or PCP. Both of them are 100. So, the total angle is 100 degree. Clear? And ABC is 140. ABC plus PCP. ABC and BCP, they are co-interior angles or angles on the same side of parallels. Therefore, angle BCP equal to co-interior angles are supplemented. So, 180 minus 140 is 40. This is 40 degree. Okay. So, the total angle is 100 degree. BCP equal to 40 degree. Angle BCP plus angle BCD is 100. Angle BCD plus angle BCD is 100. They are adjacent angles. So what is angle BCD? Angle BCD equal to 100 minus 40. That's equal to 60 degree. That's your answer. Is it over? Okay. So these two are alternate interior angles. They are equal. So if this is 100, this is also 100. This part is 40 degree because they are co-interior angles. Then BCD equal to 100 minus 40, that's equal to 60 degree. See now, and look at here. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. To prove that the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now this is the given triangle. We want to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Draw a line parallel to BC, that is D. That is draw DE parallel to BC. Is it clear? And mark the angles 4 and 5 here. Are you ready? We want to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. Now, DE parallel to DC means 2 and 4 are alternate interior angles and they are equal. Similarly, 5 and 3 they are also alternate interior angles. They are also equal. So, angle 4 plus angle 2 equal to 180. Angle 4 equal to angle 2, angle 5 equal to angle 3. You write in bracket, alternate interior angles are equal. And look at this. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, they are linear pair. It is 180 degree. Then you substitute 4 is equal to 2. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 and 5 is equal to 3. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. We want to prove the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. 4 is equal to angle 2, 5 is equal to angle 3. 4 plus 1 plus 5 is 180. That means 2 plus 1 plus 3 is 180 degree. That is the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. And one more. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Look here. Now this is the given figure. And here is the exterior angle at the vertex C. We want to prove ACD equal to interior and opposite angles are A and B. And this angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle. We want to prove exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Are you ready? Angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB. Look at that. Sum of the three angles, that's equal to 180 degree. That is why angles are proper. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180 minus angle ACB. Analyze. Similarly, angle ACB and ACD, they are linear pairs. ACB plus ACD, that's also 180 degree. Linear pairs are supplemented. Here, sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree. Here, linear pairs supplementary. Therefore, angle ACB equal to 180. AC not ACB. ACD equal to 180 minus angle ACB. So, angle ACD equal to 180 minus angle ACB. Similarly, angle A plus angle B is also 180 minus angle ACB. You see this? Therefore, both of them are equal. Otherwise, if this is x, angle A plus angle B equal to 180 minus x. Angle ACD is also 180 minus x. Therefore, they are equal. That is, sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. Okay. I will give you homework assignments later. Okay. All the best.